We're going to do a fun breathing exercise together called bee breathing. So for this breath, you are going to buzz like a bee. So let's practice that all together. Take a big breath in. On the exhale, buzz. Could you feel all that vibrating in your mouth and in your head when you were buzzing? All right, let's try something else. And this is going to help you to really feel the buzzing and the vibrating of this breath. Take your thumbs and close your ears. So just press right against your earlobe here, or this part of your ear, to close it off. And then let's try it again. Take a big breath in. Buzz. Could you feel it even more? It's kind of fun. You get to like really feel the vibrations in your head. This can be really calming. So let's try it 5 times and see how we feel. When we do these 5 times, I'm going to do one more thing. We're going to close our ears and we're going to take our hands and cover our eyes. That will just help to block out any distractions. So all we're focused on is the feeling of the buzzing and the breath. All right, so let's do 5 breaths together. A big breath in and go. Did you finish your 5? Great job. All right. If you want to try a few more, go ahead and keep going. Otherwise, know that you can come back to this breath anytime that you just want to relax, feel a little bit more calm, or just block out any distractions and focus.